Hello, lovely friends. Welcome back to Inside Elegance, your go-to channel for all things home decor. Today, we're diving into the cozy world of fall decor with some amazing DIY pinecone crafts. If you love transforming natural elements into beautiful decorations, you're in for a treat. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these ideas. Let us know in the comments which project inspires you the most. Now, let's get started with these simple yet stunning fall pinecone decorations. One of the easiest ways to incorporate pinecones into your fall decor is by creating a beautiful pinecone garland. All you need is some twine, pinecones, and a hot glue gun. You can space them out evenly or cluster them in groups for a fuller look. For added fall vibes, tie small pieces of burlap or faux fall leaves in between the pinecones. Hang it across your mantle or drape it around a doorway for an instant autumnal touch that feels rustic yet elegant. If you're looking to add a pop of color to your fall decorations, painted pinecones are a fantastic option. You can spray paint them in metallics like gold and copper for a chic look or go for more traditional autumn shades like orange, red, and yellow. For a more delicate feel, dip the edges in white paint to create a frosted effect, perfect for transitioning from fall to winter. These pinecones look stunning in bowls as a centerpiece or scattered across a table runner. Pine cones make for excellent candle holders, and the process is incredibly simple. For this DIY, all you need are large pine cones and small votive candles. Carefully cut the tops off the pine cones to create a flat surface, then secure the candle in place with a bit of hot glue. For a more festive touch, wrap the base of the pine cone in twine or add a few faux berries. Place these candle holders on your dining table or coffee table for a cozy, warm ambience that screams fall. Nothing says, "Welcome to fall," quite like a beautiful wreath. Pine cones are the perfect addition to any wreath because of their natural beauty and texture. Start with a grapevine wreath as your base and hot glue the pine cones around it, mixing in other fall elements like mini pumpkins, dried flowers, or acorns. You can even add a large burlap bough at the bottom for extra flair. Hang your wreath on your front door, and you'll be greeted with autumnal charm every time you come home. If you're hosting a fall dinner or gathering, these pinecone place card holders will be a hit. Choose pine cones that have a flat bottom, so they can stand upright. Slip your place cards in between the pinecone scales, or you can use small paper clips to secure the cards. To add a touch of elegance, consider spray painting the pinecones gold or silver. Not only do they add a personal touch to your table, but they also double as a lovely fall keepsake for your guests. As fall transitions to winter, why not carry some of that seasonal charm into your holiday decor? Pinecone ornaments are perfect for this. Simply loop some ribbon or twine around the top of the pinecone, securing it with hot glue, and add a decorative charm or bead for extra flair. Hang these ornaments on your Christmas tree, or use them to adorn garlands and wreaths. The natural texture of the pinecone mixed with a bit of holiday sparkle makes for a lovely seasonal blend. Thank you so much for joining me today on Inside Elegance. I hope these pinecone decoration ideas have sparked your creativity and inspired you to bring a little more fall magic into your home. Pinecones are such a versatile and budget-friendly way to decorate, and I can't wait to see what you create. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below letting me know which project you'll be trying. Stay tuned for more home decor inspiration, and I'll see you in the next video.